Welcome. In this video, we're going to be covering what is our Notepad++. So, Notepad and Notepad++ are pretty similar. Notepad, built into Windows, nice little text editor. It's limited though. You have one Notepad open, or with Notepad++, you can have multiple tabs open, and they're numbered. So how do these differ from, let's say, Word? Well, Word is also a text editor, but when you type in Word, the issue is there's formatting behind the text, where when we are looking at Notepad or Notepad++, there is no formatting behind our text. So it really is just simple text, nothing else saved. When we're doing our documentation and we're doing our notes, being able to line them up correctly in a simple, no add-on type format, our Notepad++ is going to be very beneficial. The fact that we also have numbered rows will also help our report writing as we come forward. We can open up certain test files in Notepad++, like if we're looking at a doc file. It actually has additional data behind our text. Same thing with a .docx file. Same thing with a rich text file, an RTF file. There's going to be data in the file. If we're looking at just a straight text document, that's it. Just a text, no other formatting is saved. So again, there is a difference between different types of extensions when it comes to just basic text. Not all text editors are the same. So we're going to be using our Notepad++ to do a lot of our notes. I don't want to save any of these. And again, this is just a quick overview of one of our forensics tools that we'll be using. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out. Thank you.